Hey, this is Mark Tacna. Today is September 19th. Heather and I are going to start planting some cold weather vegetables in the ClimaPod. Right now in September we're getting 80-90 degree days, but the evenings are dropping to about 50 degrees. So I know we need a heater at night, and I did order a heater. However, hindsight, I did not put electricity in the ClimaPod. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to run electricity into the ClimaPod. When Heather and I built the ClimaPod, in the corners we put sprinkler systems, so I ran some pipes underneath the foundation before we built everything. I wish I would have done that for electricity, and I didn't. So what I ended up having to do is dig a hole underneath a part of the foundation so I could put some PVC pipe underneath the frame and run an extension cord. I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. I went to the hardware store and I got some PVC pipe. I ended up getting 2 inches in diameter. And the reason I did that was because I bought an extension cord and I need to be able to get the extension cord through these curves. And with the smaller PVC pipe, the 1.5, this wasn't getting through. So this is what I'm going to do. The extension cord I bought online on Amazon, and it's a 12 gauge. It is heat resistant and it's water resistant. So I know this is going to be perfect for exterior use. I really wish I would have hired an electrician to run a line to the ClimaPod, but I didn't. So this is the next best thing. This part is going under the frame of the ClimaPod. So if this is the frame, it's going to go like that. Okay, here I am at my hole that I dug, and here's my extension cord. First thing I want to do is I do want to seal this so I don't get any moisture in it. Even though the extension cord is water resistant and fire resistant and everything resistant, I still don't want water getting in my pipe. So this is exactly how I want it. So I'm going to start fishing this stuff up and through. Here's the other side. Pull this up. That's great. Okay. It's all gonna make sense here in a second. Get some glue. Done. This is canning lid. I cut a notch in it, and this is so I can put it underneath. so I don't have any critters crawling up into my pipe. So I have some duct tape. And I'm just going to seal it like that. And I'm going to do this on the other side as well. So, shouldn't go anywhere. So I have plenty of movement like this. All right, one side is done. All right, we are on the other side, the outside. And first thing I'm going to do, get some glue and seal up this one. Done. Now, bring this. I'm going to leave it this way because I don't want it to be in the way for walking. Done. That's great. All I have to do is fill in the hole on this side. Okay, we're back inside, and I can have this turned however I want. That looks great. So I do is push everything back in that I took out. That's it. I now have electricity running into the ClimaPod, and I think this is really safe. This is a 12 gauge, water resistant extension cord, fire resistant, temperature resistant. I have it going through this PVC pipe. Lids underneath so nothing can go in. I did seal the bottom so no moisture can get inside. That would start to potentially erode this extension cord over years. And then outside I have a very, very short run for the extension cord to get plugged in. All I have to do now is wait for the heater to come, and I'll show you that next time. It is next time. The heater came in this week, and I'm really excited about it. Here it is. This is called the BioGreen Palma, and I also got with it the Thermo 2 digital thermostat. The reason why I bought the thermostat is so I can obviously control the temperature in here. I bought the BioGreen Palma because different heat adjustments on it, and it can do just regular fan as well, but most importantly it is built for a greenhouse. Now you can't submerge it underwater, but if you're running your hose you can hit it, it can get a little wet, and you don't have to worry about that. So can't splash it a little bit. I bought this digital thermostat because I wanted to keep an eye on the temperature. I do, however, need to install this on the wall, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. So I know you're probably wondering how I'm going to install this on the wall. Luckily what I did was I held on to all of the hardware when I built the ClimaPod, so I have these screws left. And I just so happen to have two left that looks like this, which can go right in, and it'll turn and it'll lock into place. Hopefully. To get notifications on more videos. Appreciate it.